Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you a flip through of my latest setup, which I did using the gorgeous January kit from the Planner Society. Now, to set it up, I used another planner from Christy. This is an older one. It's a traveler notebook that she issued based on the print of the August 2018 box. So that was a while back, but I really loved the rose gold accents, and the inside is white with soft pink polka dots. So I really love this, and I thought that it was a good match to the the January kit because of all the rose gold. Now, to customize it, in the front I've used the little paper clip that came in the box, the January box, which was this beautiful perfume bottle. It says TPS number 5. I think it's super cute. So I just removed it basically from the paper clip, and I used a strong double-sided adhesive. This is not going anywhere. Super strong, so it's nice and safe here. And by the way, this is a pocket wide plus size. So usually I use a B6, that's my favorite size, but for the purpose of this setup, which is strictly to take notes and write down information quickly, I just basically I'm using this for my little newest interest in kind of trading, and I don't know, I'm trying to do some investments, and so I need to just write down the prices and kind of remind myself of what I bought things at, and hopefully I don't lose everything because I'm a total newbie. So I basically don't know what I'm doing, but I'm better at planning, let's put it that way. So this is the inside, and again, it's just an ode to rose gold. Basically, I have focused on all the rose gold papers that came in the box, and I match them with the all sorts of little accessories. So on the side here, you can see just stickers that came in the box. So I just put them here for have easy access. And the background, as you can tell from the traveler notebook, is the soft white with this little dots, like kind of a regular pink dots. I think they are super cute. I've actually considered flipping the planner over, but I wasn't able to remove the pockets, and then but I'm in love with this pattern. I wish it was a pattern, a planner with that pattern. Say that twice. But this on the side of the pocket, I have a little washi sampler using a card from Simply Gilded. This is one of the little sticker die cuts that came with the box, and I've used a rose gold clip to attach it just because it looks pretty, and that's that. And then here is the first insert, and again, I've used 3 inserts, which is my usual setup. So the first dashboard is the gorgeous acetate, which is my favorite one. It is clear paper with clear acetate with this beautiful rose gold diamonds all over them. And on top of here, I have used this cute little bow clip that I had from before, and I kind of customized it by using one of Christie's little charms that came with another bow, and I just stuck it there using adhesive, so it kind of sits there, and I think it's super cute. And then on my first real dashboard, as you can tell, what I have done, I've decided to create little shakers. So I've done this for every single dashboard. I really loved these little die cuts that came with the box. So they were just frames, and I thought it would be really cute to create basically a layered look. So I have cut out the pink frames that came in some of the of the die cuts, and I have used 3D, as you can tell, 3D tape. This is actually something that I purchased, I can't remember. They're basically strips of like kind of foam, 3D adhesive foam. So they're really easy to use to create shakers. And then I used clear plastic that I just said, anything that you have like a packaging or something, you can turn it into, the little window of your shaker box. And then I have put an assortment of little sequins, etc. in here. And then there is the gorgeous, of course, die cut that says successful people never worry about what others are doing. And I just loved how these you know, the background basically matches the rose gold paper, which is this beautiful white background with the kind of like the spray of like rose gold ink all over it. And I've also used these the sticker, you know, the sticker edgers, glitter edgers on the side. These are from an earlier box from last year, and I just basically doubled them up. I have the pink with white dots, which is a larger size, and then I doubled it up with the small white with the kind of brownish pink dots, and I just think it's super cute. I just wanted to keep it simple. If you're familiar with my setups, you know that I always put a bow on basically all my centerpieces, or, you know, the focal point of my dashboards. But in this case, I've tried, I put it on, removed it, I must have done it 10 times, and it just didn't look right. I think this is enough. I just wanted to look simple, but at the same time elegant. I just love the way it turns out. So this is insert number 1. This is the back of the gorgeous paper, and this is a I printed out some printable inserts that you can get on Annieplansprintables. These are matched one of Christie's older boxes. And then in the back here of the dashboard, I have one of the sticker pockets that came with the January kit, and I have used some of the accessory. Came with this little die cut, the words enjoy, the little bow. These are some of the stickers, just purely decorative. And then in here is the back of the acetate, and I have the word shine right there. And then I have made a washi dashboard. I've mixed things up a little bit. I have some of Christie's clear bow washi in different sizes, alternated with some of the washi from the box, like this beautiful one. And this is from another box from last year. This little washi here is just something I had at home, so I just saw. And then, you know, again, this is a bow wash, a bow sticker, sorry, bow seal from Simply Gilded. I just love it, the way it turned out, because I wanted to bring in the warm colors, but at the same time heavy on rose gold. And then here is the second dashboard. And again, this is actually, I had to use a different style of, you know, die cut, because I am not sure. I only had 2 of these, so I don't know if there were 3 and I missed one, but I only had 2 of this style. If you have 3, I would prefer to keep it the same. So this was not done on purpose. But so in this one, again, I double layered the little frame, and same thing with the sequins, you know, and then same. And in the background, this time I have used this paper that I've had for a while, and it has little you know, swans in the background. Now there is a gorgeous paper that Christie has released before, which has swans on them. I could not find it on my stash, so otherwise I would have used it on that, because it would have been perfect, but I must have used it all up, so that was gone. But that's the second insert. And here I just have this cute, adorable kind of list maker insert that I got from my sweet friend Marg, Untitled, and she has a cute little munchkins on it. And just, this is all I needed. I kind of you know, cut it down so to fit the Pocket Plus, but again, all I need is just like this, adding prices, marking down things, buying, selling, etc. And then in the back here, I have the beautiful little sticky note, diamond-shaped sticky note that came with the kit. The word plan, then the back of the washi dashboard. And then I actually have to rip this out from another setup, because I really wanted something rose gold, and I did not have any more matching ones. I just wanted, you know, a clear rose gold kind of pattern. So I've gotten this older acetate from another PlannerSociety box that I had in a previous setup. So I cut it down, and luckily it fit. And there was also this sticker on it already, this decal from, I think it's VirgoandPaper, and I just love the way it looks. And here's the third dashboard, again matching it up, so it's the same dashboard in the front, same in the back, keeping it simple. and same concept. And this is another one of the die cuts that says the future belongs to those who believe in chasing their dreams. And I just, you know, love this. Is wanted to be, I think the theme, you know, of the box is very uplifting and, you know, kind of giving you a little bit of a, you know, words of encouragement. So, you know, I thought it was perfect for the purpose. And then here in this insert instead is something from AuraEstelle. These are little insert that she has that you can actually rip the pages out. So I thought this would be perfect if I'm writing down notes and that I needed to move them somewhere else. And then here's the back. I just put a little, you know, the little die cut with the vintage style suitcases, the word hustle, because clearly in the, you know, market you gotta hustle. And then in the back there's the Planner Addict, adorable little not sticker, oh my goodness, the word is just decal from TheFoxandPip, which was already there, and I love it. And then here, back here, all I did is just put a little paper clip. There's more stickers. And this is it, guys. So this was a really quick, I mean, I think I did this probably in a more, well, probably in a day, because the shaker boxes are the ones that took longer. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me a message at Planningfancy on Instagram, and I reply to all the questions. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.